What if Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, suddenly started to glow like a star? Would Earth change? Would life be affected? And how would the solar system be transformed forever? Let's find out. Scene 1. Meet Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, more than 300 times the mass of Earth. It's mostly hydrogen and helium, just like stars, but it doesn't shine on its own. Stars glow because of a process called nuclear fusion, where atoms smash together, producing incredible energy. And while Jupiter's composition resembles that of a star, it never gets hot or dense enough inside to start fusion. In fact, Jupiter would need about 80 times more mass to become a real star like our Sun. So, under normal conditions, Jupiter will never ignite on its own. Scene 2. Imagine it suddenly glows. But let's imagine something amazing. What if, somehow, Jupiter started glowing like a star? Not because it became a real star, but because it started emitting visible light, like a second sun in the sky. What would happen then? Scene 3. How it would look in our sky. First, the view from Earth. Jupiter would become one of the brightest objects in the night sky, brighter than Venus, brighter than Sirius, brighter than almost anything apart from the moon and the sun. Nights would no longer be truly dark. Jupiter's glow would paint the sky with soft red, orange, or white light, depending on how it shined. And imagine the awe, billions of people around the world looking up every night at this new glowing world. Scene 4. Would it warm Earth? Even if Jupiter glowed, it still wouldn't replace the sun. A glowing Jupiter would be tiny compared to the sun's energy output. The sun produces more light and heat in 1 second than a glowing Jupiter ever could. So Earth wouldn't suddenly warm up drastically, oceans wouldn't boil, and life wouldn't instantly end. But nights would be brighter, and the Earth's temperature might increase just a bit on the dark side. Scene 5. Gravitational effects. Now let's talk gravity, because if Jupiter changed that dramatically, it probably gained mass or energy to make it glow. Gravity is the invisible force that keeps planets in orbit, moons circling, and comets sweeping around the sun. Jupiter already has a huge gravitational pull. It affects asteroids, comets, and even the orbits of other planets. If Jupiter suddenly became heavier, even slightly, it could alter the orbits of other planets, including Earth. Over millions of years, these changes might shift Earth's climate, seasons, and even its distance from the sun. In an extreme case, the solar system could become unstable, with some planets changing course or even being ejected into deep space. Scene 6. A possible binary star system. If Jupiter gained enough mass to become a real star, then our solar system wouldn't orbit a single sun anymore. We'd have a binary star system, just like many other star systems in the galaxy. 2 stars instead of 1. This would mean a completely different gravitational balance and potentially unpredictable changes in planetary orbits. Suddenly, Earth might get pulled farther from the sun or pushed closer, changing everything from weather patterns to seasons. Scene 7. What Earth would actually notice. First, nights would be forever changed. Jupiter would light up the sky in stunning new ways. Second, small changes in temperature, especially during night hours. Third, over very long periods, small gravitational shifts could alter Earth's orbit. But if Jupiter simply glowed, without huge increases in mass, life on Earth would mostly stay safe. No instant cataclysm, no boiling oceans, just a breathtaking new view above. Scene 8. Could this happen naturally? There's no natural way for Jupiter to start glowing like a star the way we imagine. No asteroid, comet, explosion, or cosmic force we know of could make it spontaneously ignite. Jupiter just isn't big enough, not even close. So while this idea is fun and dramatic, it remains firmly in the realm of imagination and science fiction. Final thoughts. So, if Jupiter suddenly started to glow like a star, we'd see a brilliant new light in our sky. Earth's nights would be forever transformed, and over time, the balance of the solar system could shift, for better or worse. Whether it's science fact or bold imagining, this scenario reminds us how amazing our universe truly is.